First impressions happen fast. Research says people judge you within 7 seconds of meeting you. Mess it up, and it's like trying to fix a bad Wi-Fi signal. Frustrating and unreliable. Whether it's a job interview, a date, meeting a new friend, or networking with important people, leaving a strong first impression isn't about being perfect. It's about making them feel comfortable, intrigued, and wanting to see you again. Let's break down the science-backed and psychology-driven hacks to impress anyone instantly without overthinking it. Walk in like you belong, the power of confident energy. People judge confidence before words. Even before you say hi, your body language, posture, and movement send signals. How to project confidence. Instantly, stand tall. Keep your back straight, shoulders slightly pulled back. Good posture not only makes you look self-assured but also releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Walk with purpose. A relaxed but steady pace. Not rushed, not too slow. Maintain natural eye contact. Glance at the person every few seconds, but don't stare like a malfunctioning robot. Breathe deeply before entering. It reduces nervousness and slows your heartbeat, making you feel instantly calmer. Bonus hack. If you're nervous, do the power pose for 2 minutes before meeting someone. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands on hips, like Superman, and take deep breaths. Science shows this reduces cortisol, stress hormone, and increases testosterone, confidence hormone. The golden rule of first impressions: make it about them. People don't remember what you say as much as how you make them feel. Want them to walk away thinking, wow, I really like this person? Here's the trick. Shift the focus onto them. How to make someone feel instantly comfortable. Use their name early in the conversation. Nice to meet you, Alex. Give them your full attention. No looking at your phone or scanning the room. Make them feel like they're the only person there. Ask engaging questions that go beyond small talk. Instead of, what do you do? Try, what do you love most about what you do? Instead of, how was your weekend? Try, did anything exciting happen this week? Listen actively. Nod, react appropriately, and repeat key points they mention. Bonus hack. People love hearing their name. It triggers the brain's pleasure centers. Use it sparingly but strategically. Instead of, hey, nice to meet you, say, hey, nice to meet you, Sarah. Master the art of the perfect greeting, handshake or alternative. Your first physical interaction, whether a handshake, wave, or nod, sets the tone for the conversation. How to nail it. Handshake. Firm but not crushing. Hold for about 2 to 3 seconds while maintaining eye contact. Meeting a friend or casual acquaintance? A confident nod or a warm smile works best. Cultural differences matter. In some cultures, handshakes are the norm. In others, a slight bow or even avoiding direct physical contact is more appropriate. Bonus hack. Match their energy level. If they go for an enthusiastic handshake, mirror it. If they're more relaxed, stay cool and composed. This subconsciously builds rapport. Talk less, listen more, the 70-30 rule. Here's the paradox. The less you talk, the more people like you. Why? Because people love feeling heard. How to apply the 70-30 rule. Let them talk 70% of the time. Ask engaging questions and listen. When you speak, be concise and engaging. Use echoing. Repeat keywords they say to show you're actively listening. Example. Them. I just got back from Japan. You. Japan? That's amazing. What was your favorite part? Bonus hack. If you want to instantly build trust, nod slightly when they speak. This makes them feel understood and validated. Body language that screams, I'm cool and confident. 93% of communication is nonverbal. People don't just listen to your words. They watch your body language. Body language do's and don'ts. Do. Keep your hands visible. Hiding them makes you look untrustworthy. Do lean in slightly when they talk. This shows engagement. Do mirror their gestures subtly. Not mimicking, just matching their vibe. Don't cross your arms. It makes you seem closed off. Don't fidget or look around nervously. Stay present. End on a high note. How to be remembered. People remember the beginning and the end of an interaction the most. How to leave a strong, lasting impression. Wrap up with a positive comment. It was great meeting you. I'd love to continue this conversation. If it's a networking event or professional setting, express appreciation. I really enjoyed our chat. Thanks for your time. Walk away confidently. Don't linger awkwardly. The secret sauce, authenticity over perfection. Here's the real secret. People don't want perfect. They want real. Trying too hard feels fake. Instead, focus on being present in the moment, showing genuine curiosity about the other person, staying relaxed and natural. Final bonus. If you feel nervous, flip the script in your mind. Instead of thinking, I hope they like me, think, I wonder if I'll like them. This removes pressure and makes you more relaxed. Final takeaway, first impressions cheat sheet. 1. Walk in with confidence, good posture, steady pace, relaxed eye contact. 2. Use their name and find common ground. 3. Master your greeting, firm handshake, natural smile. 4. Follow the 70-30 rule. Listen more, talk less. 5. Body language matters. Open, engaged, and mirroring their vibe. 6th, end on a high note. Positive closing, smooth exit. 7. Be authentic. People like realness over perfection. Your challenge. Try one of these in your next meeting and see the difference. Which one worked best for you? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear. And hey, if you want more game-changing life hacks, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep leveling up together.